Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to create a subscription website, this Shopify. So here guys, the subscription are a great way to generate recurring revenue for your business. So whether you are selling products like skincare, coffee or digital services, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the process. So here guys, if you haven't already um, set up your Shopify store, head over to shopify.com and sign up for an account. So once logged in, click here. So as you can see here, follow the prompts to enter your store name, industry, and contact details here. So you need to create a new store, guys, or if you have already a store, that's good. So once your store is set up, guys, you will land on the Shopify dashboard. So this is your control center where you can manage products, order, and apps. So you need to choose a theme that works well for subscription, guys. You need to go to online store themes. This website offers a variety of free and paid themes. So here, guys, what you need to do here is to enable subscription functionality. You'll need to install a subscription app from the Shopify App Store. You need to go to apps on the left hand menu, then click Shopify App Store. As you can see here different kind of options here. Go to apps and sale channels. Tap on that one, as you can see here. So here, tap on that one and search for apps like recharge subscription, bold subscription, payroll recurring payments. And here guys, you'll be able to see here installed apps from your Shopify. Here you can see the point of scale and in the online store. And go look for the Shopify App Store and then tap on that one, guys. So here, as you can see here, tap on that one. So it's very clear. So you'll be directed to the other page wherein you'll be going to search for the app you need. So here guys, as you can see here, you'll be able to see here different kinds of apps you can use for your store. So go to the search field and then search the kind of app you want to. So here in this tutorial, I am going to search for subscription, wherein this is the tutorial that we are making. And look for the app, guys, that says, wait, I'm gonna search here. Here you can see here, Pay subscription app, Propel subscription app, Otterbound subscriptions app, Joy subscription app. But in this tutorial, we are going to use this app still. So here guys, retain customers with subscriptions, subscription box, and others. So this app still, guys, is free to install and free trial available. Here it is popular with new business making sales. Used directly in Shopify admin, works with Dawn, which is the theme that we are using right now, to provide rich subscriptions and subscription packs. So what you need to do here is to click on that one, and you will be directed to the other page here, which is you are going to one of the most popular subscription apps. So here, you need to click the next one. Here, as you can see here, create subscription selling plans for your products, establish and such as discounts. So create new plan and follow the installation steps and grant the necessary permissions. So here guys, you need to name your plan name. So here, this is only a for internal purpose only, so the customers won't see here. So name of the subscription plan, since you may have several subscription plans, and the product that you select for the plan, your customer won't see this. So here guys, for example guys, the monthly plan, which is $20 per month, or the quarterly plan, which is $50 every 3 months. So I think I'm gonna name here that one. So here guys, you can customize each plan's billing, frequency, discount for long-term subscription, and trial periods if you want to attract more customers. And then of course, save your changes once the plans are set up. Here guys, let's make your subscription product page stand out. You can go back to your Shopify editor and customize the product page layout. Add section like what's included to detail the items in the subscription, or why subscribe. Here is to highlight the benefits like convenience or savings. You can also add here testimonials or reviews from customers if you have them. You can also use Shopify's drag and drop builder to rearrange sections or add a banner promoting your subscription plans. Here guys, to ensure payments and shippings are ready to go, you need to go to the settings, which is the payments, and set a payments method like credit cards, PayPal, or the Shopify payments. For shipping guys, you need to go to shipping and delivery and configure rates based on your subscription. And for example, offer free shipping for monthly plans to attract more subscribers. So before going live guys, you need to test your subscription setup to make sure everything works smoothly. So most subscription apps guys offer a testing mode, so use that to verify the billing and checkout process. And once you're satisfied guys, what you need to do here is you need to click the publish button to make your store live, share on your site, your social media, or with your email list to start attracting subscribers. So of course guys, take note guys that if you're going to make a subscription website on your Shopify, of course you need to have a product. So here guys, you need to add the products you want to offer as part of your subscription. You can go to the products tab on your dashboard and click add product. So for each product guys, add a title, description, and images. For example, the product name and in the description. So there you can set up a price and then upload a high quality image and click save. You can add multiple products if you have different subscription tiers or options. And make sure guys to enable subscription functionality. You really need to install a subscription app from the Shopify App Store. But depending on you guys what kind of app you want to install and activate for your product, as long as it is a subscription app. And make sure guys to make it more or less use a subscription app guys that is free, or if you want to make it more exclusive, more created, you can use a subscription that has a plan or a premium plan. And after that one guys, what you need to do here is that's it. You now have a fully functional subscription website on Shopify. So subscription are a fantastic way to build a loyal customer. And if you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Thanks for watching guys, and I hope I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.